everybody, today we are going to be playing, what's it called? Whatever. Well, I actually have some, bad news for you. And kinda me. What's going on? 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 It's Area 52. What? Oh my gosh. Shoot it! The portal is not... Okay, so, what do we do? Oh. Wow. Let's go. No, in the portal. Did you mean to say the portal is not stable, sir? Oh my gosh, I see. Everyone, just, stay back. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. No, hold your fire. Hold your fire. What is going on? Don't go in there. Hold your fire. Stay back. Hold your fire. Stay back and hold your fire. You don't know your commands. Hold your fire. Okay, let's go. We need Robux. Oh, it's coming. It's here. It's here. It's here. Stay back. No, stay back. Come on. Stay back now. Okay, go. We just act like we know what to do, but we really don't. Stay back. Stay back. Stay back. Idiots. Okay, we are not idiots. Okay. Something is wrong. I know something is wrong, okay? Up. It's coming, I think. I think it's coming. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's coming back. Hold your fire. Hold your fire. Hold it. Hold it. Hold your fire. Shoot! No. Come on, don't let it get out. No. We need to... What? No. What happens? What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, I died. I have died. Oh, come on. We need to get back. We need to get back. Come on. I need to get back. I need to get back. I need to get back to my people. Come on, we need to get to the portal room. Alert, code 1. Code 1. I repeat, code 1. Oh, okay. 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 Oh no. What's going on? Hopefully it works now. Oh. Oh no. It's trying to... Shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it back in! Now let's get in! Charge! Charge the opponents! I wanna see you, we had enough of you. We've had enough of you. Oh no, someone has died. Someone has died. Oh no, I had died. I think. Oh no, I died. How about I stay back here? I stay back here. Yeah, I stay back here. Wait a minute. No. Yeah, I stay back here. I stay back here. I stay back here. Where's the portal room? Where's the portal room? Okay, over there. I stay back here. I stay back here. I stay back here. How do you run? How do you run? You don't hold shift. Yeah, how do you run? They might be shooting through the portal. No. That's someone on the other team, I think. Jump. I'm staying back here. No, I'm staying back here. Staying back here. Everybody, charge! Go! Go to the portal! Go! 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 I am the person who stays behind and sees what happens. I am the person that is back here in here. In here. And in here. Unexpected client behavior? I was trying to get in there. What? Is trying to get in someplace not allowed? Roblox piece. Pirates or Marines? Marines. PvP disabled. Try punch, of course. And then quick tackle. And then I need to be MAS something. Training. Z! So we're the Marines, they're the pirates. Ready? Are you ready? I'm gonna make my quick tackle, my last move for this guy. So it looks like I just went straight through him. Alright. This is actually kind of boring. Okay? I'm getting bored. Okay, I'm getting bored. There's no top rated. Let's play my mini games. What's that? Oh, the guy screaming. I heard a guy screaming. Club Penguin. I have a gun and a knife. Nom 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 nom. Wait a minute. I got an idea. Next video I make, I'm gonna be playing this game called what's it called? The Plaza, yeah. Hallelujah. Oh, dang it, I wanted to go like that. Come on. Oh. Yep. So, nope, I'm stuck up here with this guy. 2 level 1s here, sitting in the air. While we... Wait a minute. Go to voting. Yay, go to voting. Maze to the middle. Protect the picnic. I'm gonna do protect the picnic. Yeet. So we got protect the picnic from the thieving bugs. Jumping in to kill them. Okay, that goes. And just jump on everything. Just jump on all the food. You wouldn't want it. No, just look for him. I found him. I found one, and then killed another one. Do you have to jump on him, or can you step on him? Or can you just walk onto him? Okay, you have to jump on him. Ah, no! The food's the thief! A thief, a thief, a thief, a thief! I wish... Oh, dang it, I need Robux. Ah! Come on. Come on! Don't you dare steal anything. Oh no, they're stealing our food! They're stealing our food! They're stealing our food! That was a hot sauce. No, they're stealing our stuff. Come on. Me too, especially I hate spiders too, especially their blood. AKA their green jello things. Oh no, not the taco! Yes, I got the taco. Food preserver. But look at this! Look at all the green stuff on the ground. This is gross. Look, it looks so good right here, but ew. Mr. Flip-Flops, why are there so many bugs? Oh no! Like, this is also kind of like a roleplay. Well, yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see my daily uploads. Goodbye.